Greg, look out!
Yoshi.
Oh, you useless! I got to know. Die, bud! Oh no! Blue only knocked down 2 of them. Hey, sweetie, use your speed and take out the gunner. Oh, damn! Looks like I gotta use the mighty eagle. Are you sure you won't do that? I have to. Oh, come on. Oh, 99 cents! The kids don't want to pay that. Oh, try it for free. I gotta use that. So, Mighty Eagle free level. Do you want to lose your progress within the 3rd level? I don't care. As long as we take out those freaking pigs. Take this pig! Die! Wait, come on now. What is Tuna doing here? Oh no! That's cheating!
This time, the movie Turning Red is back is coming to theaters in February 9th, 2024 in Disney Pixar for 2022 into years old.
And May May is back, and who is the mysterious hero?
What will we do next? I love being me.
Huh? Hello? Huh. No one. That's weird. Oh no.